Ka Bethany Hospital kabadi kaway na ki Jaka Sumar Bapaw Hariboy minta kasngi kala pinha perdano ya ka Jingrakhe Dap shipho Snem ka jingay jing sakri shikipad ba kibawan sya Sumar hakatay ka hospital nadu balaseng ya ka hausnem arhajar khatsaw. Ya katay ka Jingrakhe lapilong hapilaw jong katay ka Jaka Sumar kabadon hapaham si Nongpoh. Kalong ru ka KHUBOR ka basngo tenat ikipat ba kadong riboy ba katay ka Jaka Sumar minta kasngi kalanang Pyniar ya katenat ban ay jing syakri shikipat ba hakabala yo ru ban plipat ba ru ya ka Dialysis unit ba kipat ba kimdon kam shu ban let shiki Jaka Sumar bajengay syadu shilong ne gohati. Hakatay kasngi pinkot ya kani ka Jingrakhe ya ka Jingdap shipho Snem ka Bethany Hospital Nongpoh kalaplipat ba ru ya umoddur sa jingkemau jong Dr. John L. Silo rintathiang bam kwai hadwar ublay ubadey ru utray jong ka Bethany Outreach Hospital Nongpoh. Hakajuk kapor layo ru ban pelat patba no ya ka kali kit nongpang jong ka dorbar snong paham CM Nongpoh bala pelat lingba ka skim CMFDS balawan ban ple patba da ka kong amprin lingdo menteri katenat ka kwat kakia kum ka kong san ha ka jingedon lang uba Miral Bon CM MLA Nongpoh constituency ba chairman jong ka health and advisory board jong ka sarkar jilla kum usimbut kong san. Achula di Silo Director Bethany Hospital, Dr. C.M. Poshna DY Medical Superintendent, Bethany Outreach Hospital Nongpoh, lambat ki doktor ki nurse ka take hospital.
Celebrate the 10th anniversary of this hospital here in Nongpoh. It gives me immense pleasure to hear and to be part of this beautiful program today. We have heard the opening remark by Dr. Cheki and also by Mrs. Achula D. Silo about the dream and aspiration of late Dr. John Silo Rentatian, who is the founder of this hospital, where he had a dream, a vision, a determination to serve the people of this particular area as well as the state in general with regards to healthcare in the state as a whole. When we talk about the dream, dare to dream, it reminds me about the famous quote of Reverend Martin Luther King Jr. In the midst of his fighting in America in 1963, where in a famous quote that he said, I have a dream that I will live in the country where my 4 little children, they will not be judged by the content, by the color of their skin, but they will be judged by the content of their character. Unquote. So Reverend Martin Luther King Jr., the dream that he had to talk about the privilege of the people, of the dark-skinned people who stayed in America, to be at par with other people in America during that time. And we have seen the aspiration that he has to live up to the expectation of the people at large during that time. When we are here together today here to remember about the dream and aspiration of Dr. John Silo, there are 3 things that it has immensely helped the people of Nongpoh. Let me place on record my sincere thanks to you, Kong, to Peter, to David, Rebecca, all of you, and all the team of the Bethany Hospital as a family. That the dream and aspiration, the dedication.
Yang kami kajinglet haju doktor, daga bapia dan bentalang buat hakani ke community ambulance ke bangin se inaugurate ng takasni. Nakaliang joko sarkar ni ay kublay pibaro ibadang bentalang banten kan ya katakal jingla rajungi ban ay ya kakot kakya kabat ponsin tang kapisa mla ban pendek pendiam. Itay likely itin iba long ka motor jong dari hospital ka commitment ka compassion ka care mla niyo bisa ni let ni shim niyo ya ka jingpuli we get all kinds of acquire all kinds of degrees, but especially in the healthcare sector I'm seeing that just being a doctor, being a nurse, being a healthcare giver is insufficient. People can get those qualifications anywhere, any place. Beautifully sung song by all of you. I can see that care, that compassion and that commitment in your services, and that is likely why Bethany is different from so many other hospitals that we see around us. Continue with your services to the people of the state of Meghalaya, and together we the government will partner with all of you so that we can give Meghalayans the satisfaction that yes, we are being attended to. And that song so beautifully says, amidst all the shortcomings and our inability to do what we need to do, we will continue to strive to serve. Beautiful song. You wrote a beautiful song back. Beautiful song, well sung by your choir, meaningful words. So with these observations and with this great sense of gratitude, I want to thank Dr. Silo's family and the entire family of Bethany for all that you do for the people of the state of Meghalaya. I want to thank our spiritual representatives as well, both Nongpoh, wonderful invocation, and Reverend Lincoln. Continue to pray for us, the leaders of the state, so that we are able to live up to the expectation of the people of the state. It is a very difficult task and very difficult to execute. But if we have prayer at the back,